In this video, I'll show you how to disable the password login screen on Windows 11. First, go to the taskbar search, type NetMovies and press enter. If you don't see the option that lets you disable the users must enter a username and password to use this computer checkbox, you'll need to re-enable it through the registry. To do that, open the taskbar search again, type CMD, right-click on command prompt, and choose Run as Administrator. When prompted, click Yes. Now paste the command provided in the video description into the command prompt. This command updates a registry value to restore the missing option. Once you press enter, you should see a message saying the operation completed successfully. After that, restart your computer. Once rebooted, go back to the taskbar search, type NetMovies and press enter again. This time, the checkbox should appear. Simply uncheck it, click apply, then OK, and you're done. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. For more tech videos like this, subscribe. Catch you in the next one.